Well, I was taking this before I built this little rig and going, you know, wrapping it like they say, wrapping it all the way around and putting a piece of shoestring and then pulling it back and forth so that, you know, you get the full, you know, roundness of it. I tried that crap, you know, demo. So I did this, where you take the shoestring, put this on here like this, and you give it one of those nice, you know, like that. That was going to take forever. So I decided that I would build my own polishing rig, my own crank polishing rig, because there's a bearing in the back of the crank that this is going into, that holds the back, and then on the front I bought 2 stationary wheels that will turn, the crank can turn on, and then I put my 1/2-inch drill here, and let's give it a shot. I can take my sandpaper, take my sandpaper, hold it in place. Ready? And then I can polish it without having to go back and forth. If you come over, you'll take a look at this journal. You can see it's starting to polish up really nice. Still got a little bit of scarring right there. It's starting to polish up nice. What is the line? Here. Better? Yeah, that's a little bit better. Let's take a look at the journal. They're starting to look pretty good. This still needs a little bit of cleanup on the end where the seal goes. Seal goes right in here. We still need to clean that up a little bit. But the journals are starting to turn out really nice. My rig.